people road. Is that not correct?
Correct.
Is that not correct?
Correct.
We didn't end there. We did Alu Rumekini road.
Correct.
We did Alu Omaga road.
Correct.
We did Alu go to the University of Port Harcourt.
That's so.
And I speak to you today. We have done that all the internal roads in Alu.
That's so.
Is that not correct?
Very correct.
I made promise that I was going to do Omaga internal roads. Am I doing it today?
Yes, sir.
Am I doing it?
Yes, sir.
I promise I was going to do Isoko internal road. I mean, Ikwerre internal road. Am I doing it today?
Yes, sir.
Am I doing it today?
Yes, sir.
We did promise we are going to do Eleni internal road. Are we doing it today?
Yes, sir.
Are we doing it today?
Yes, sir.
I did promise I was going to give Ubina a standard model school. Have we done it?
Yes, sir.
Have we done it?
Yes, sir.
I promise I was going to give Omama a standard model school. Have we done it?
Yes, sir.
Have we done it?
Yes, sir.
So all promises are made. To the glory of God, I fulfill the promises.
That's so.
Now, why am I saying this? By the grace of God, the successor, the government candidate has said, we did all the internal roads, don't you so?
That's so.
I do not finish it.
We are finished it.
Now, what is governance? Governance is not to come and tell people story. Governance is to make people happy. Governance is to make life easy for people. Yeah, somebody was the governor for the last 2. Since we didn't have said it here, who is your brother? Who is your brother?
Wike!
Who is your brother?
Wike!
Your brother is Wike not because you are the same parents to work. It's not true. For a man who has made a promise to you, I have to say the promise. The man who tells you yes is a
Yes.
The man who tells you no is a
No.
A man who believes in integrity. A man who believes in fairness, justice, and equity.
That's so.
A man who believes in Yendeba.
Yendeba.
So, let me prolong my speech a bit, because it's important. We are in an LGA that is very significant to our struggle. In 2015, when we came here, are you not aware your parents are civil servants and pensioners did not collect their pension allowance? I'm not talking about gratuity. But today the story is different. What is good governance? Good governance is providing services, giving people the assurance of hope, security, and that is what we are providing. And that is what we will continue to provide. PDP is the party to beat.